2 minutes each. Okay, Cynthia, go ahead.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for the opportunity to congratulate the great sportsmen and women who represented Kenya in Tokyo for the 2025 championship. Honorable Speaker, we are proud of that team because it has brought back the glory that Kenya as the powerhouse for sports and athletics, Honorable Speaker, has always been. Remember, Honorable Speaker, this is our third best performance since the inauguration of the championships, Honorable Speaker. We've had 18 medals previously, and we've had another 15 medals previously. And today, Honorable Speaker, we have 11 medals. We want to appreciate all the gold medalists, the list that you have presented to this House today, Honorable Speaker, and we appreciate their efforts that they have been able to once again, like we have mentioned in this House, that this is the team that hoists the flag of Kenya every other time. And Honorable Speaker, we have also said that they have not been appreciated enough because of the very good work that they do. Honorable Speaker, we remain the best in Africa, and it is such a proud moment, Honorable Speaker, to be African. And it is even the best moment to be Kenyan, Honorable Speaker. And every day, Honorable Speaker, our athletes continue confirming that Kenya is the absolute kingdom of athletics and championships, Honorable Speaker. And we appreciate the people that represented us as a country, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I also want to note that over time, our athletes have been doing a very good job. Previously, Honorable Speaker, we have contemplated having them have translators. But this time around, Honorable Speaker, when you listened to Ewoy speaking, when you listened to Perez speaking, when you listened to Wanyonyi speaking, when you listened to Faith Kipyegon speaking, you felt proud as a Kenyan because our athletes are properly able to present themselves, Honorable Speaker, and express themselves. Honorable Speaker, this also calls for responsibility for us. As a country that hosts these great people, what are we doing to support the sports, Honorable Speaker? And I appreciate the government of Kenya Kwanza because of the up-to-standard stadiums that we are building. And Honorable Speaker, I am seeing a brighter future for athletes, and we want to really appreciate them so that they can continue hoisting the flag of Kenya. We want to tell all the gold medalists and the people who have participated that as Kenyans, we...
Thank you. KJ.